about to see the biggest snowstorm in Eastern Carolina since 1980. That's going to continue to grab this much cooler air, funnel it in, and mix it with our moisture. So as this low travels up the coast, some heavy snow. Take it easy if you plan on heading out with the kiddos and sledding. Have some fun and stay safe. Live in Craven County, meteorologist Tyler Vanjie sending it back to you guys in the studio.
My name's Mabel Byers, and I'm originally from Buffalo, New York. I've been in New Bern since 2017, so we don't get a white winter like this as much as I'm used to, but it's really fun. Dogs are having a